And we are in front of the new Nugget with the fixed roof, and this is the 2026 edition. Well, I was already in Düsseldorf making this video, but now we have the final 2026 edition with the high roof and fixed roof. So I will be checking inside if we have some novelties and what they have accomplished. So this is the standard Nugget, and well, the bench is made for 3 people, and well, the lighting is extremely bright and well designed, and the standard Ford Transit chassis. And well, going on the back, we have this pretty standard kitchen situation, and I will be entering inside. Actually, check this high roof variant with the actual bed going down from this part, so you can sleep 2 people up there, and then this part slides down for additional 2 people sleeping. The standard automatic 2-burner stoves with additional storage and speakers. On this part, additional deep storage inside, blinds also for this part right here, additional small storage with a big actual storage right up there, and induction charging, additional storage right up there, pretty deep, window with additional storage here, and well, storage all around. Well, on the kitchen part we have a lot of slide outs for your kitchenware all around, and additional storage and leg space for your bedding on that part, additional storage, and that for cassette toilet on the lower part right up there, storage unit there with the actual valve for the water, storage unit additional here, lot of storage units, and also fridge slide out here. Pretty interesting design, and this is actually not able to open, but well, as you see it, a 4-person short wheel campervan, 5.5 meter with the high roof design, perfect from Ford Nugget.